yard is flooded. And our neighbor's yard is flooded. And it's a long way down. It's very wet outside. I wonder if it's on the road. I'm talking to myself. And it smells really bad. Really, really bad. It's almost past the big rock. I hope it keeps raining. Then maybe we can go on an adventure. And get all wet. It still smells horrible. It's really rushing over there, but you can't see it because of the trees. I think it's getting higher. Oh God! I'm gonna drown! I'm gonna die! Oh look, my brother's four-wheeler is down there. Little four-wheeler thing. I don't know.